the Turn Up Twins, pick up yourself. You don't know full thing of the global thing, I don't like the whole world.
Yeah, me I say now this is Craig.
Yo, you don't know this is Kevin.
And together we're Vice, man. I would say Turn Up Twins. Thing, Turn Up.
Turn Up things, you see.
You know it's higher where the girls them try. I mean I represent for Turn Up Twins. Turn Up Things, you know there's something to turn up now.
Up to the era, Turn Up Twins are not like fever. Yo, touch her make she ooh, touch her make she ah.
We'll look for somebody. Who will look for? Prince Pin, ANG Alliance Next Generation. Alright, we're gonna see if we can find him. Jay, I think I saw him living now. Yeah, I think so. Alright, I'm knock on the grill and see if he's there. My girl. Really? I want that. Alright, I know we need a Jamaican style knocking her. Style. Alright, I'm gonna find a big stone. wait a my girl. I hope she not knock off the people and paint off of them. Hi. Well, look for Prince Pin. Him live here?
Yes.
You can call him for me?
Yes. Daddy, too ready, a girl come to you.
Thank you. Hey, we're going to Turn Up Twins, you sing Turn Up.
Mad.
Alright, so you ready for go up on the road?
Yeah, man, right over, man.
Alright, let's go. Once again, we're here at Prince Pin from Alliance Next Generation. Alright, Prince. Why you tell the people, and first of all, where are we? Wait. I'm not just Prince alone with there with. Oh, yes. Remember from earlier, Daddy, the two girls, them, the red hair girl, them come to you. What's your name again?
Denny Kalon.
Princess. Alright. So you can?
Your ear, you know, your ear pretty.
It turn up, right?
I'll do my one like yours next time. Y'all match. Lego.
Alright, so why you tell me what we're there and what go on Ronnie right now?
Yeah, man, I'm mad thing, man. You don't know right now we're there by Far Lane. By Far Lane. Yeah, you don't know our place this, the whole ground level representing CMA. So you don't know the program. We program you at Turn Up Twins, right?
That's right.
Straight into the garage to them there. You see me, mad thing, man. Prince Pin.
Alright, Prince, so want to look at background, you know. So why you tell me how you started with this whole entertaining thing? Was it from back in school or where inspiration come from?
Yeah, man, alright. It's a long story, you know, but guess how we cut it short. Guess what now? As me tell you now, T&J, Turn Up Twins, me born in music, me a music. Cause you know, my father was an artist as well, you know, you see me? My father was a DJ, Dan Kingpin. That's the reason I come by Prince Ping, because then once there's a king, you know, there's the prince, and this is the princess, you know what I mean? Yeah, so you don't know our whole Pin family thing. So music actually in me. Yeah, me born with it. You understand, from birth. I decide there. Straight music.
Alright, and how did you get into the camp?
Alright, how me get linked up with the Alliance now, ANG Next Generation, Bounty Killer Camp, right? Alright, that they know. And the easiest part that, because I guess I know, it all started out from the whole Gaza Gully feud. From the whole Gaza Gully feud. You see me? Me all the way from Savlamar. And me fire the most lyrical bullet off of the Gaza camp. So with them talent now, Killer hear about the thing, and we actually running a Killer One show. And we turn, get Jiggy the show name. And from there, boss just call me up and just do a one thing, Alliance now run, and from there so the thing just blow up.
Turn
up like the twins there. No.
Alright, well, why you don't know? Since that's how we spit fire, why you spit some fire for right
But
now?
you have to incorporate
The Turn Up Twins in it. Alright.
Turn up, anything can turn
Can turn up one, Turn Up Twins.
Alright.
Let me see how wicked it is.
Mad thing, man. Guess what? You know, so we there with Turn Up Twins and hold it down still. You see me? A mad thing. So as I tell you from earlier, we're there by Far Lane. The whole of Westmoreland, Savlamar, are my place. Enough people want to take the space, but they might get the race. Our place. So they want to name Turn Up Twins. represent where you come from. Although the place start like a dungeon, you have to watch how you put your foot in a them garrison if you really want live long. So right now, me a big up the place, me big up every lane, corners and bass. Me tell any man this face to face. Turn up twins, them run off the place. So listen this. Happy big. Yeah, man, I'm a thing, man. You see me? I saw the thing set, man. Cause we have to get them involved. You see me all the way from New York. Them fly if you come find Prince Ping, you know. So I big up Cross, Chris, Set Speed. So I saw the thing set again. Represent where you come from. Although the place start like a dungeon, you have to watch how you put your foot in at the garrison if you really want live long. So right now, me a big up me place, me big up every lane, corners and bass. Me tell any man this face to face. Turn up twins, them run off the place. So tell you this, happy big up park. Yeah, so me start fi creep before me walk. Rush a bad man, them never take talk. Go fi boy miggle day now fi wait pan dark. Over bush gangster, them no axe tush. When the thing start, no feel up from push. Plus me have to pick up dogs a flat push. Them are real hustlers, but feel the most push. Turn up twins, Westmoreland me reside. Lord me no hide. Alliance me represent, don't pit me side. Hey NG start rise like the tide. If you this turn up twins, tell them run go hide. Fool watch your lip car with dogs empty clip. No put boy pan drip pad I leave it stiff. How we no hey, hear the choir? And the whole crowd left. Hold on. Let me tell you about 110 no feel a play pen, cause if the thing start, tell them it can't end. Send Uber back to buy Farley and them man the psycho, do things we get fame. Pull let's straight back to Newmarket. Me bad man friend Pit Bulla clat it. 12th Street back to Fort Row, you were in a boat. Please me I beg you my youth no provoke. Watch ya, me I go tell you about Darling Street. Take away yourself, Tivoli thing they beat. Hot roses keep the things them grease. Any man violate instantly defeat. Show a bad man, Harmony Town. No hesitate when them fi vanish a clown. Clackum, you hear how the new thing sound. Turn up twins, run uptown. We reside loud, me mad thing, man, you see me?
It turn up. Alright, then the first artist, how much time you mentioned about? 4 times, alright, it turn up, man. So tell me, where you work on right now?
Alright. Well, you don't know, what you know now. It's upon the level now. One selling Cross, Chris, the management, you get the whole portfolio, I should say the whole folder, everything, the man the response for the career.
We're going to get him on the show because everybody
are talking about turn up Chris.
Then the Cross Chris, man.
Cross Chris.
Cross Chris.
Not turn up yet because we don't interview him, then we're going to turn up.
Yeah, man.
For him not answer a phone call.
Alright, so you go some more time in business still, so you have to understand. I understand when I do a different project, you know, so. Yeah, man.
Alright.
It's a good look. It's a good look.
Did I watch this video? Let's see, I have a new video will come out.
Yeah.
When I watch the video. So Mega.
At the same one with alright, I'll make it finish.
You're the one with the guy with the broken.
Yeah.
And him yeah. Oh, they have the broken.
The broken man.
The broken one.
Yeah.
Let me see the hand.
Look on the color.
I'm really
But why you spit a verse, guys? We want to introduce your video. So why you spit a verse, 1 or 2 bars from the actual song, and then you introduce it, and then you spit a verse so we can bring in the song after.
Alright. Mad thing, man. Guess what now? You see the video? It just showed recently. That go and go to right now, Hype TV, RE TV, MD TV. We are trying to get it to, as a matter of fact, guess what? Turn Up Twins are going to take it to MTV.
That's right.
Right? And that's the right TV. So, as me tell you, Alliance Next Generation, Alliance overall, we don't take disrespect none at all. From people violate, you don't know we are step to them. Lyrically though, you know what I mean? Because we don't bring the physical thing that together. Lyrically.
Alright.
So you go like this. We not take disrespect. No, we not take disrespect. From a violate, tell them straight. Me rise every tech. Why? We not take disrespect. Turn Up Twins. We not take disrespect. In any given aspect, the bacon they have to spray the insect. So from your this your rifle.
know, so I just get a package of Prince Pin, dog.
So where they pan?
Premium people sell it in it.
Yeah, man, do that, make us split it, man.
Yeah, man. See my car, me too.
What the package there?
Yeah, which package?
Oh, you mean which package?
Yeah, which package, dog?
I want to.
AMG Alliance Next Generation. Super blunt. We don't do boxing match, so we not thumb.
Once upon a time, there was this bounty-led gang called themselves the ANG, Alliance Next Generation. Attacked their opponents deep in Kingston City. And from that day until now, these are some guys you need to be aware of. Fear of.
Why? We not take disrespect. We not take disrespect. I'm the violate punk, I straight. Rise every and we rise every. We not take disrespect. We not take disrespect. In a any given aspect, the bacon they have to spray the insect. So from your this you bust out your punk, you can't bleed or beg. Pack your back and fled. Bring your family, cause everything I got. Me dark you. Your love send check, pump me make walk. Boy body in a, anywhere me step cross, boy body left. Him run send a girl come knock your door. As you step out, you step and a step and a stop the screaming at you. If a neighbor push out in a face like 4. Why? Me no humble like Jack, you go check me warfare, me got the top score. Plus me got a disease no doctor can cure. Run like water we pure. We no take disrespect. We no take disrespect. I'm the violate pump, I straight. Rise every and we rise every. We no take disrespect. We no take disrespect. In a any given aspect, the bacon they have to spray the insect. How we go? Why enter from the front, watch them a run to the back. And they saw them fall in the shop. The clap, just call. A whole woman side the activate because she shot pin pull hand grenade dash. Hence devastated and the Pentagon crash. Chop up like a meat shop. Next me does catch and watch and load the. Me attack with full effect. The select with it round me neck. Me clap it correct, comic. The collect plus me dog them prepare for police intercept. Anything, anything, pull the pin again. Put it fling, half a boy house glass half shingling. How we get recommend for the mass? We no take disrespect. We no take disrespect. I'm the violate punk, I straight. Rise every and we rise every. We no take disrespect. We no take disrespect. In a any given aspect, the bacon they have to spray the insect. So from your this you bust out your punk, you can't bleed or beg. Pack your back and fled. Bring your family, cause everything I got. Me dark you. Your love send check, pump me make walk. Boy body in a, anywhere me step cross, boy body left. Him run send a girl come knock your door. As you step out, you step and a step and a. Let's stop the screaming at you. If a neighbor push out in a face, poor. Why? Me no humble like Jack, you go check me warfare, me got the top score. Plus me got a disease no doctor can cure. Run like water we pure. We no take disrespect. We no take disrespect. I'm the violate punk, I straight. Rise every and we rise every. We no take disrespect. We no take disrespect. In a any given aspect, the bacon they have to spray the insect.
Cross, Chris.
Some boys should have think before them try cry. Spin it.
Not much for said I'm a done talk to you know. Walk, you know, you see.
Okay, Prince, we want you to tell about any upcoming events, songs, things of that sort.
Yeah, man. Alright. A lot of things are going on at the making. As I tell you from earlier, it's a good look, you understand? Because, I should say, the amount of things me ever work on, sometimes I even remember them. As I tell you, Cross Chris, I him have the whole portfolio. You see me, management. The management have a lot to do with it, you know. You see me? Management have a lot to do with it. But Holiday Bounce, that all the way in St. Catherine, that's the, I think is the, I went at the date again, I think the 30th of this month.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No,
Wall.
People said things different. We think at 30, they said 38.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 and 0. 3 and 0. Yeah. The whole host alliance, you can come there to say Bounty Killer, you name it. Whole alliance. And Locked Away is a video and a song as well where we are trying to work on for the new year. Okay. So 2013 I open with that. Okay. Locked Away, yeah, it's a real life story thing. You understand? So you see the song and the video there. I hit to go carry me come to New York, come look for you. You understand? Alright. It's a promo, yeah man. So it's a promotional thing, set speed, and that work, man. Enough things in 2013, man.
But more says one thing I can appreciate about your music is that your lyrics clear, crystal. I have to double guess and say where I'm just say it sounds like poetry to the fullest. Even though I don't see a deal with the war music, I'm calling it.
Yeah. Just like in the video, we never did have to wonder exactly what them did I do, especially you see the broken man try to box a man. Alright, we know so bad them about up the thing, yeah.
But like him say, him go feel lyrically, so. Yeah. So anyway, so we're gonna know. First, wait, before we go any further, what's going on behind us? Tell me what's going on.
Looks like we have a mob round there.
You know, if you tell you the truth, I'm behind one of them there. Yeah, the right way, because you understand. Yeah, man, the whole ground level package, man. Whole ground level right now. I need to introduce them individually because guess what? And everything the world for know. You understand? Featuring Prince Ping with the whole ground level.
Alright.
Them not get it no better than that. That's the thing there. You see me? So just pick up the package. Boy violate and get damaged. You see me?
Alright, we want to take a look around the neighborhood. So you gonna give it a little tour?
Yeah man. Yeah man. We make a walk in at the place and reach a boneless and them thing there and mad thing, man. You see me? Turn up twins.
I saw you go on, man. Y'all have your video pan in the car. You wicked one.
And AC.
And AC. And that me a talk about.
Thing turn up.
All right, let's go.
It's the unexpected thing, you know?
Yeah, I hear that.
Mad thing, man. Look how the place turn up. I turn up twins make this happen, you know? What this man? Mad.
So your territory this now, you know, your show. We're going to hand over the mic to you. And you're going to explain what I say and what go on.
Yeah, man. Boneless this. First and foremost, this name, Boneless. And it's a reason why I come down here now. But me I going to show you shortly. So you see it, the place turn up already. And turn up twins, they are mad thing. Go at the bar.
Cashflow Production.
That's somebody have gone. Believe me. Believe me. Ground level. Them fi know say ya Prince to the pin. Bring back fun in a the thing. Oh. So me tell them, me save throughout the year. From January, February come up. So me know if fuck said this summer, yeah. Me now fi worry everything I go turn up. Down on the grill on the beach when me reach. When me look up here at gyal a run up. 1 by 1, 2 by 2. So the gyal them come in till them knock up. That's why me make sure me seize up and set. Me gams and me cologne, well carpet set. Me change out every Jamaican to US card. Me have a party and relieve me stress. Anyway me pull up be a gyal a text set. Who want to find me a fi BBR text. All gyal in my room I wait for a later you hear about the rest. Me I go party all day all night. Me I go smoke and drink as me like. Me careless who want give me a fight. Me a party and enjoy me life. Me I go party all day all night. Me I go smoke and drink as me like. Me careless who want give me a fight. Me a party and enjoy me life. So me tell them clear the scene, ground level rolling. The 110 to the kingfish well clean. Boom. No roll mass that ride in. Pan alone R6 boom. I saw it clean. Any bar when me step to it shell down. Me no leech pan a man not me own income money. Preach a ceiling a start from ground. Me just come out just fi have fun. Believe me. Pan the beach girl in a bikini. Girl a flap me like auntie or beanie. A triplet approach me wish I did tree me. A real life this Jah know me not dreaming. Everybody in a frenzy and them happy. The permit grand police them not stop it. Same time me rise a anything nearly jappy. Yeah, that's a me Lee and Poppy me party all day all night. Me a go smoke and drink as me like. Me careless who want party and enjoy me life. Me a go party all day, all night. Me a go smoke and drink as me like. Me careless who want give me a fight. Me a party and enjoy me life. That's how my gone. Believe me. Believe me. Them fi know say I prince to the pin. I bring back fun in a the thing. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, hey. Party all day, all night. Me a go smoke and drink as me like. Me careless who want give me a fight. Me a party and enjoy me life. Me a go party all day, all night. Me a go smoke and drink as me like. Me careless who want give me a fight. Me a party and enjoy me life.
Mad. So right now, where they are fed up place this. Boneless Ends. See me? Boneless Ends. Real Dieted Alliance ANG place this. I'm not have to go compound that. Our place this.
No, so me always ask the question that what everybody want to hear. The inside scoop on how and who a person is. Well, we did a walk in just a while ago, get a handshake by a very nice looking gentleman. So we're going to call in Pitbull. Pitbull. Oh, Hurricane. All right, Hurricane and Pitbull.
Yeah,
Hurricane and Pitbull.
Me a painter man. Otherwise, as aircraft manager. Big butter this.
Okay.
Yeah, big butter.
All right, why you tell us something now? Look at something about the prince.
Well, the prince, well, I know a king, friend of king, born, the father.
So we want the juicy stuff. We want the juicy
you see
stuff.
juicy stuff now. It's a youth where struggle in life and then he go man in school, you know, and start be a little DJ and boy, me I tell you, him good, you know, a good youth in our community. Never in no mix up still, you know.
Never do nothing wrong. Never see him throw a big stone off on nobody.
Yeah, he have a look of ignorance in him, but he can control it. But I never really seen throw a stone, but he's very ignorant. But you know for control it. A good youth.
Okay.
Yeah, number one youth in the community. And look at him, first birthday party for him, look at daughter. Me play for him without $1. See him there, ask him. Not even send me collect from him.
You remember your first birthday party?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna call him Pitbull now.
My name is Shane Owens.
Shane Owens.
Yes, and I'm a brother.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
From another mother?
Another mother. We go through everything together. Everything.
All right, good for you. Oh, so did I help him or are you get the big stone for him flinging?
Yeah, we fling it together. Every stone I fling, I'm flinging.
All right, people, so tell me a little bit about yourself now.
Yeah, man, well, you know I'm a graphic artist, Soundman said we own a sound named Pitbull and we do science graphics, t-shirt printing. You understand? So.
Alright, so you have a commercial. Tell the people how them can get in touch with you.
Well, I'm right in the middle of the town. Right in front, credit tune and sign links. Can't miss it.
Phone number now.
3570887.
Alright, ever say it again. Slow it down.
3570887.
Alright, 876.
DJ Trigger represent for the whole ground level. Triton. Now they make them waste them time. Precisely. Nothing with them son not hurt me once them not cross my line. Yo, as Father God, sun a shine. Yeah, as Father, sun a shine. Me have some brand new insole for wear with me. Brand new size 9. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. See some boy missing and can't find. Just a matter of time. 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 Just a matter of walking piggy bank safe dollar kind. Hey, listen me. Now they make them go and chat and make them go and yap. Cause real thugs none yam rice when it too hot. Man I go wait till them group up a one spot, one knock, and everything I feel lay flat. Me see clear them a try draw me out. I call me name for the feds get me out. But me understand such a things don't go nowhere. So me no fear word of mouth. Just a matter of time. 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 See some boy missing and can't find. Just a matter of time. 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 Just a matter of walking piggy bank safe dollar kind. But the amount of thing them chat just consider them lucky. Has several different way fi choke puppy. Me don't know me thing but badness. Me no chucky regular. killer them left them head careless, me coulda bust. But check it, Prince Ping no in at the fuckery. Anytime when you see me palm me mind, palm me money. Notice, with certain links, me no tarry. Feelings, me no carry. It's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. See some boy missing and can't find. Just a matter of time, dog. Just a matter of time, you see. I'ma tell them over and over, so the race is not for the swift or who can endure it. Since when some boy taught me ignore it. And just told them make them go and chat, make them go and yap. Carry tugs, none yam rice when it too hot. Man, I go wait till them group up a one spot, one knock, and everything I go lay flat. Me see it clear, them a try draw me out. I call me name for the feds get me out. But me don't know such a things not gonna nowhere. Me no fear, word of mouth, just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time, just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. For some boy missing and can't find. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time.
Over time some boy I live on wrong level.
Mad. So right now we're there on the back. I don't even want the back part, but guess what? They're on us where the Kong thing I deal with now. So guess what? As I tell you, boneless straight back to Newmarket. My friend Pitbull, he might take it over from here. So guess what? Make the twins them know what go on in the place.
Yeah, man. Right now we're there at Boneless Ends. Fed up place. Yeah, fed up. Yeah. Right now you don't know, so we have the conk I look about. Lift up the conk, lift up the thing, but them see what go on. Don't know that I prepare for look more. Jamaican style, that's how we do it. Yeah. I don't know, we have Bahamas, Daily Bread, Stiff Fight, the whole man in there. Everybody there. Great Foley, big chef. You see me I say, don't know say. Enough more things you have to deal with. Yes, right.
Why chef, me have to make sure you know, because me only see one fish and trust me.
No man, enough more fish there, man.
For me alone, you know. You need about 2 more for Jay.
Yeah.
Because our belly long.
Alright, looking in and
lobster. Yeah, man.
Looking in and looking out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alright.
Be a seafood. Yeah.
Up and running. You want to see more?
No man, that good now, that good. Alright, carry on.
Alright, I don't know, me I introduce to some people. You see me I say, as you said, the man with the acrobat, Bernard. I don't know, the great Saggle. Yeah, Chappie. Wagwan, Bitterweed, Sean White. I don't know. Bunny, the whole line man them, everybody there. You see me I say, I don't know, so I want artists to say Prince Ping. You see me I say.
Ground level.
The one on him born bad mind. The one on him born bad mind. The one on him born bad mind. When I want to see the youths them shine, make them know what Prince Ping represent for the youths and not the currency. You see? Just remember you can be what you wanna be. For example, look at me. Precisely. Yo, remember days when me used to struggle. Find it very hard to make my mama pot bubble. 9 to 5 in the street, me used to hustle. Repeatedly, me have to do it on the double dog. Me give thanks to the things rearrange. Circle for your 110, me never jump up by a range. Stay real to my friends, youth, me never have strange. And pick up my fans, them from West back to Grange. The work me put in that start for manifest. Foundation that be set from money start make. Know the more that things me earn, pagans them want take. Make them try them woulda run in at the tech. Me still buy the arms. Fi self-protect, better you have it and don't want it. More than when the haters plan fi make step. How you a go regret? Cause me know them a pray me, but that can't go stop me. Them know me a the baddest thing. Them know who me be. All you hear them a run them out. Can't distract me from living young, wild and free. Precisely. Listen, from me know myself, me never bad mind. And no so me brought up, and no so me design. Me hustle hard fi achieve what is mine. So we hurt me to see some ungrateful mankind. When no one see the youths take the lead. Forgive those father we bite the hands that feed. No follow friend seat, they know them mislead. Sorry for them in a wants and need youths. You have to make the hill while the sun glare. And no time for lay or play. Do not go ever but the prince finger stray. Next to hear on the news, them find my body a decay. So anything me earn, me can give account for. Me buy cash, me no care what amount for. Never yet bow out on me, never sell out for. Nor go put my ass for no count. And me know them a pray me, but that can't go stop me. Them know me are the baddest thing. Them know who me be. All you hear them a run them out. Can't get rid of me. From living young, wild and free. Sing it again. All me know them a pray me, but that can't go stop me. Them know me are the baddest thing. Them know who me be. All you hear them a run them out. Can't distract me. From living young, wild and free. Precisely.
That's one of the guys that you from left. Yo, take it from Princeton, is it? You can be what you want to be there. You just have to aim to your goal.
The whole of the
put all your mind, body and soul. And then be careful and don't go in a hole.
See?
You can be what you want to be, man. Just remember me.
Alliance.
But clean up your heart and don't bad mind. Wait for your time. Precisely.
Make them know a prince.
Young level.
Yeah. I don't know, so we there, so man, them a whole of one vibes. It's a one bill, you see me, I say, so we do it every day. Yeah, as we say, we going back to the chef, the food.
Looking in and looking
out. Yeah, that's how we do it at Jamaica. Little, we don't have barbecue, we have cookout. Be a seafood. Yeah, seafood, we all eat seafood around here. Yeah.
You don't know it's Alliance, alongside Boneless Crew. Up and running. Chichin Chin, I'm a real friend. And when you don't know me, say Ning. You understand?
Ching.
We spot the spring there. Spring, come in. We are a real family or ramble. You see the youth here? A real alliance. What we mean alliance? We mean alliance. Bounty Killer, next generation. From all Central Town. We're up and running like that. You understand? And what we mean out, we mean out. You see the youth here? He up and running, man. Straight alliance, we say. Straight alliance. Alliance to the whole world with my family, with the ramble, you don't know, up and running. You see me? Spring, daddy, mad. You think gone, he shot off like a plane. Whoop! Up and running like chin, ning.
Mad thing. Yo, what them say? Alliance to say straight. Now we are going in the sun now. Yeah. Nadia, boneless girl, bartender. Lisa over there, so. We have a little party, little more, so you don't know, say. Yeah. We go on now. That's how we do now. Shanika, you don't know, say DJ wife this, you know. Lady Pin. Say something, Lady Pin. Say something, y'all laugh, so. Say something. Yeah. Yeah, man, I don't know. One of our sisters again. We're there. Say something to the Pin now.
Friend for life.
Yeah, man, straight. Yeah. And we don't know, say it's an earthquake sound again. We done there as a friend. Father Butter. You see me, I say, earthquake sound. One of our end sound. You see me, I say, yeah. I don't know, we just there, one voice. So that's the Pin. We support Prince Ping straight through. Anything we ever do. Yes, 100%. Prince Ping, Bounty Killer.
DJ Trigger represent for the whole gang. Yo, Prince, I walk one. Yo, I'm here up on the streets and up and go and feel up on set. Let me tell you this. You see See, when talents don't know about your shit, they send even their ginger fly to come and pitch, cause they need your shit, right? So let I put it this way. I don't know if they're gonna take it as a diss, but just a free one quick. Listen me now, everybody want to be like me. Till you're hearing on the street, they want to compete with me. Me done put my name in the book of history. Me now for send me money enough, obviously plenty. I acres of land, my control a centie to build a dream house, yes, and ship the Bentley. So all who like to watch my business, make them continue watch, one day them go see. My mother now work, but she sort out. Me know my baby mother hot. Anytime she walk out, me little daughter them off the top out. Plus the ground level shot a shot, and it the all about. Me insure myself from me a 19. So anything or anything, me no give a fuck, me no afraid of that. Cause if me dead, me riches off to resurrect. And to my set, my mama got the access. What next? They all want to be into my shoes. The race run already, me a winner, them don't lose. Them watch the 110 till them confused. Why them gal want know me just blow me like car fuse. Pa, this is ridiculous. Them are not tough, them are punk, them fi up the command boss. I'm looking at me to reclaim them just a boss. One come size up, but them a clown for the circus. We see it, say them can't hang the success. They claim the thing a happen, no, it not happen yet. The journey them even make one step. If them not change, them have to fade out. You want stick a bit, them even get a pitney yet. And if you check them trying to pay but up and catch them a sex. Never been with a bank teller yet, or a receptionist. Admit it, Prince is the best. I'm in my business just like politics. Beat them bag of politics. When this drop, it's a sure hit. And if you say this is shit, you are toilet.
I'm a toilet. Yo, that is not just a freestyle, that's an expensive style because that's a different kind of style. You know, it's precisely from lessons, yo.
Jump. Alright, Tamika, alright. We want to thank Prince Pin for entertaining us for the whole day. Tamika, alright, Tamika. 2 more minutes. We want to thank him for entertaining us for the whole day. The thing did turn up. Trust me, we had a great time. Anything else you want to say before we go?
You said it all. The thing turn up. Then why the thing turn up? Now we can turn up twins there. Turn up twins. Savlamar, Westmoreland, Boneless Park. Yo, thing gonna say not yet. The thing just start. Mad. Represent for turn up twins to the world.
Alright, give me a jingle.
Make them know a Prince Ping represent for turn up twins. ANG Alliance Next Generation precisely.
And we are the